lock I have for you today is an Abus model 7240. The shackle is 6.5 millimeters. It has an aluminum body. This is the bitting, which is actually pretty good high and lows. Brand new lock, works perfectly. And we will see if we can get into this. I'm going to be using, well actually this started off as a Peterson Hook 3, and I was disappointed with how little curve the tip was on this, so I ended up grinding it down and making it very fine for keyways that I have to work off a warding where the pins are pretty much directly touching the warding. And then in that case, that is this. You have to work off the right warding right here and able to get underneath these pins. Okay. See if we can get in this. Okay, one set. Two's giving me some feedback. Two set. Four's giving me feedback. He's set. It's tough getting underneath these pins when they're riding on the warding. Okay, that was 5, and we got it open. Okay. I do have a key. Okay, Phillips. I guess not enough. There we go. I do have a key, so I'm just going to lock this up. And we need to get the C-clips off. There we go. We need a small plug follower for this, I'm sure. There's a little divot right here. I'm gonna use a shim. Just so we don't get any driver pins caught in that. Okay. Really? There we go. It's a very tight fit. That thing barely fits. It won't even go all the way through to the end of it. Okay, it's a 6-pin lock. Okay, bottoms are all standard. Let's see what's in the top. Man, that thing is tough. Okay, one is a standard. 2 is a spool. 3 is a spool. 4. Oh yeah, I'm an idiot. I'm like, why the hell is this not coming up? I got the shim in there. There we go. 4 is a spool. 5. Went somewhere. And 6. Where the hell did 5 go? He was a spool. Seriously? There he is. Somehow stuck up in the Bible still. Okay, 1 standard, and then 2 through 6 are all spools. Standard, all spools, and then standard key pins. Okay, that's all I have for you today. If you liked the video, please subscribe, and remember, the more you practice, the better you will get. Thank you for watching and have a great day.